Welcome. In front of me is CHUWI GemiBook X Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to perform an initial setup on this laptop. So if you have an external mouse, that is great, connect it to a PC. This will make this process a lot easier for you. But in other case, I'm going to show you how to perform the setup process without without any mouse or touchpad drivers, since they are not installed yet. They're gonna be probably, hopefully, in the process. So first of all, using arrow keys, select the right country or region for you. When you select it, press enter to continue. Then select the right keyboard layout or input method, again using your up or down arrow keys, and then press enter to continue. Then if you want to add a second keyboard layout, which you can also do later in settings, then press tab a couple times until you have the add layout option selected. Otherwise, just press enter to skip. Now, if you didn't install the Wi-Fi driver already, then check out the USB installation, install Windows 11 from USB video on our channel. I'm explaining this step at the end of the video. Now, if you already did that, then select the network that you want to connect to using the arrow keys again. Then, once you do that, press spacebar, press enter. If you want to connect automatically to this network, then hit this checkbox using spacebar, and then press tab once to select connect option, and then press enter. Then enter the password to this network and press enter. Now, let me maybe check if there's a better option. Okay, no. Then press enter once again to select. Okay, I see that. Press tab a couple more times to select done. Then press tab a couple more times to select next, and press enter to confirm. Then wait until Windows check for updates. And on the following screen, you can name your device if you want to. After that, the laptop will restart. If you want to name your device, then input the name, then press tab a couple of times until you select the next option, and then press enter to continue. Otherwise, you can skip this step by pressing tab once and selecting skip for now option, then click enter to continue. And then I think we're gonna have to wait for another update. Let me check. Okay, so right now we're gonna have to wait until the updates are installed, and it's gonna take a while, depending on your it's gonna be either slow or fast, depending on your Wi-Fi speed. So it might take up to several hours, I think, if your Wi-Fi is slow, but usually it takes around half an hour or something like that. So just wait and make sure that your laptop is plugged in during the entire process. Okay, and now when the updates are done, press tab a couple more times to select the sign in option. Unfortunately, you still cannot use your touchpad, so I'm not sure what drivers have been what updates have been downloading all the time. Okay, now once you press sign in, enter your either email or phone number connected to with your Microsoft account. And once you enter it, press enter to continue, then enter the password to your Microsoft account and press enter again to sign in. Okay, now if you want to sign in your Microsoft account with Windows, then press tab a couple more times and press yes, sync. And if you don't want to sync your Microsoft account with Windows, press tab once again and select don't sync. I'm gonna go with the second option. Now you gotta create a PIN code, press enter, then enter the new PIN code for your device. Make sure that you remember it. Then press tab, enter your PIN code once again, then press enter to confirm. Then let's wait for a while, and on the following screen use tab button to select each of these toggles, and then either switch it to the left using the left arrow key or to the right using right arrow key. I usually go with location and Find My Device features switched to yes, because they allow you to use location-based experiences like direction and weather, and also things like local news. And Find My Device feature lets you easily detect your device in case it gets stolen. Following diagnostic data collects your data for Microsoft researches, so I usually switch it to required only. Inking and typing, the same thing, but with your keyboard. Tailored experience, the same time, but with your browsing experiences. So go along with whatever choice you like the most, and then click tab a couple more times to select accept option right here, and then press enter to confirm. Then wait a while. Then on the following page you can customize your experience, but generally speaking you don't have to do this now, you can do this later in settings. So for now I recommend you press tab a couple more times until you select the skip option, and then press enter to confirm. Then if you want to use your phone from your PC, if you have an Android phone, then scan this QR code you can see right here. Or if you have an iPhone, then skip this step and then link your phone later in settings. So let me skip this step. And now if you want to back up your photos to your laptop, then scan this QR code that you can see right here and then press next. I'm gonna skip this step too. I press and enter. Then if you want to synchronize your Microsoft your Edge data, then click accept, otherwise select not now, again using the tab button to select and enter to confirm. Then if you want to subscribe to the Microsoft 365, you can select continue. Now I'm gonna select decline for this option, and the same goes to the Microsoft 365 Basic, also decline. Then press enter to go with next, and then I'm gonna also skip the offer related to their gaming service. Okay, and at this point the setup is complete. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.